Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at this 4x6 sealed beam headlight. It's compatible with Toyota, Pontiac, Buick, Chevy, and GM trucks and other engineering trucks. So this LED headlight comes with H4 plug. If it doesn't fit your car, please buy a H4 to 3 pins pigtail male harness wires. So this LED light's appearance is made with aluminum alloy material. The diameter is 4 by 6 inch in length and width. The light contains 15 LED lamp beads using Cree LED chips, which can reach up to 3200 lumens. Let's do some testing here. So when we switch on the high beam, all 15 light beads will be on, can reach up to 3200 lumens. When we switch on low beam, the upper 5 and middle 1 will be on, which can reach up to 2500 lumens. Let's do a little bit of waterproof testing here. So this LED headlight has superior waterproof capability. Even if we switch it on and put it in the water, it can still work, like this. If we take it out, it's still working fine. Okay, this is our video of 4x6 inch headlights. If you like it or want to learn more about the installation and instruction videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. More new product videos are coming soon. Thank you very much.